Yo, what's up, yo? It's me again, PJ, yo. And for tonight, guys, we are here in Bohol and we are going to have a food vlog. So, we are here in Dauis and we are here sa Cafe Racer, yon. Diba? So, this is a good place for you guys if you love to mga chill, mag-chillax lang mo, and of course, unwind, kumbaga. There is this place in Dauis. It's a relatively a new place, maybe mga 3 months pa siguro ni. I'm not so sure, but it's a new tambayan here in Bohol. It's Cafe Racer. So may Cafe Racer sa Cebu. So basically they have the same vibes man kaning mga cars, old cars, and mura siya 70s siguro nga feels kana na ay gasoline station, and of course ang mga waitress is kana mga classic classical look nga vibes, and of course music, which is very important also, diba? As you can see, akong givideohan kaning they have this outside here, an old car kumbaga, diba? So as you can see, mura siya 70s nga car nga. It's an old car, and I think it's really a good place for you to chill and unwind, of course, especially that tonight is, tonight is Friday night, yon. So it's a good place, especially it's new, and if ganahan mo laglaag here in Bohol, I suggest you try this place in Dauis, Cafe Racer. So naa sila yung mga, of course, ang beer, and of course ang food we'll check out later if unsa ila mga pulutan yon. And yeah, relatively it's a cool place. I've been I checked the place man a while ago. I'll show you the videos of the place, and of course you check it out, guys, if you have time, so that you will have the feels of kaning 70s nga cafe.
private. or relaxing part here. You can feel the breeze, the sea breeze. As you can see, it's a full house for this night at Cafe Racer. There's the sea view and some city lights you're seeing. It's very relaxing here, guys. Very chill. So I'm enjoying my night here. Hopefully you can drop by here at Cafe Racer, guys. I recommend this place. See, as you can see, people here are just enjoying the night. Just having some chit chats and of course enjoying the music. You can just come here with your friends, or even if you're alone. I think this is still a good spot, guys. Or better if you bring your dates, right? I think this is a good place to chill. Just have a good talk, a good laugh. And of course, have some of your favorite drinks here at Cafe Racer Bohol. There's this logo, guys. Cafe Racer Diner Bohol.
So we're going inside now, guys. Let's check it out.
So we are now going in, guys. Whoa, look at this place. Feels like we're in an old movie scene. It's like the 70s or 80s diner. It's really nice inside. If you would like to have a more quiet time, especially if you want to have a good conversation, I think inside is better, so you can hear, you can hear each other very well and have that good quality time. Good time with your date.
so far the place is chill lang guys. Diba? It's a classy feels nga old nga cafe. You would really feel that you are not in the Philippines, kumbaga, diba? Mura siya an old American restaurant, diba? As you can see, the interior, amazing. Surprisingly, yeah. Diba? This is a good venue if you will have pwede ka mag-date, diba? On a Friday night, Saturday night, and even on weekdays, diba? It's a good place na you just hang out and chill, murag relaxing lang yung environment, kumbaga yung ambience. Chill lang, diba? You can inside the music is not that loud, so you can hear if you would like to have kaning conversations with your friends or diba, or with your date yon. So I recommend this place guys, as you can see, diba? Nindot yun siya, bago, and the place is very neat and chill lang yun guys, diba? Nice. So we'll have some shots guys, gamay lang drinks. So yeah, I'll update you later guys kung on sa mong experience here, but so far so good. Very nice experience here in Cafe Racer Bohol. So we ordered meat lovers pizza and margarita. Stolen video.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
Yo, what's up? Yo, we just finished our session here at the Cafe Racer Bohol and we had a great time. Especially when I received the bill because it's just less than 1,000 pesos. Yon! So that's my number one criteria of a great cafe or kaning tambayan is ang bill. Bitaw, honestly, their bill naman their beer is just 55 pesos per bottle and their pizza is just 180 pesos. Imagine that. And katong mga cocktail is just like 200. So it's already a picture ha. So it's really great for kani mga barkada nga outing. So guys, if you're in Bohol, please check kaning Cafe Racer here at Dauis, of course, and I'm sure you will have a great time. Okay ang ilang place, ang ambience, ang price, ang everything, the music was great, and of course ilang server, of course, very attentive and of course friendly, sakto ba friendly? Anyway guys, once again, my name is PJO, and of course, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell to be updated on my latest video updates. And once again, my name is PJO, and please subscribe, like, comment, and of course, subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I'll see you again next time on my YouTube video, guys. So see you.
Choppers, better took those risks. One of my fists, we fire starters. Let's go.